अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अच्छा ना, मैं इस वीडियो में आप बताऊंगा आपको कि जो है ना हमने ऑटो जो इंश्योरेंस होती है ना उसके बारे में बताना है। ठीक है, उसका ये होगा कि ऑटो इंश्योरेंस जो है ना वो प्रोटेक्ट करती है अगेंस्ट फाइनेंशियल लॉस इन द इवेंट ऑफ एन एक्सीडेंट। इट इज़ अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बिटवीन द पॉलिसी होल्डर एंड द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी। The policyholder agree to pay the premium and the insurance company agree to pay loss as defined in the policy. Auto insurance provide property, liability and medical coverage. Property coverage pays for damage to or theft of the car. Liability coverage pays for the policyholder. Legal responsibility to others for bodily injury or property damage. Medical coverage pays for the cost of treating injuries, rehabilitation, and sometimes lost wages and funeral expenses. Most states require drivers to have auto liability insurance before they can legally drive a car. उसके बाद आएगा कि all states have law that set the minimum amount of insurance or other financial security. Drivers have to pay for the harm caused by their negligence behind the wheel if an accident occurs. Most auto policies are for 6 months to years. A basic auto insurance policy is comprised of six different kinds of coverage, each of which is priced separately. Bodily injury liability. This coverage applies to injuries that the policy holder and family members list and on the policy cars of to someone else. These individuals are also covered when driving other people's cars with permission. As motorists in serious accident may be sold off for large amounts. Drivers can opt to buy more than the state required minimum to protect the personal assets such as the home and saving. Medical payment or personal injury protection में आएगा क्योंकि this coverage pays for the treatment of injuries to the driver and passengers of the policyholder's car. At its broad seats, PIP can cover medical payment, lost salvage, and the cost of replacing service normally performed by someone injury in an auto accident. It may also cover for funeral cost. ठीक है, इसके बाद इसमें आता है प्रॉपर्टी डैमेज लायबिलिटी. This coverage pays for damage policy holders. Someone driving the car with their permissions may cause to someone else's property. Usually this means damage to someone else's car, but it also includes damage to lamp post, telephone poles, fences, buildings or other structures bit in an accident. Collision. This coverage pays for damage to the policyholder's car resulting from a collision with another car, an object, or as a result of flipping over. It also covers damage caused by polo potholes. Collisions coverage is in generally sold with a deductible of 250 to $1,000. The higher the deductible, lower the premium. Even if policy holder are at fault for an accident, collision collision coverage will reimburse them for the cost of repairing the car. The minus the deductible. If the policyholder is not at fault, the insurance company may try to recover the amount it paid from the other driver insurance company, a process known as subrogation. If the company is successfully A policy holder will be reimbursed for the deductible. A comprehensive में आएगा कि this coverage reimburses for loss due to theft, damage caused by some things other than a collision with another car or object, such as the fire falling object, missiles and explosions, earthquakes, windstorms, hail, flood, vandalism, and riots, or contact with animals such as birds or deer. Comprehensive insurance is usually sold with a $100 to $300 deductible, though the policyholders may opt for a higher deductible as a way of lowering their premium. Comprehensive insurance may also reimburse policyholder if a windshield is cracked, shattered. Some companies offers separate glass coverage without a deductible. States do not require the purchase of the collision and comprehensive coverage, but lenders may insist borrowers carry it until a car loan is paid off. It may also be a requirement of some dealership of a car is leased. Uninsured motorist coverage will reimburses the policyholder, the member of family, or designated drive if one of them is hit by uninsured or a hit and run driver. Under insured motorist coverage comes into play when an at fault driver has insufficient insurance to pay for the other driver's total loss. This coverage will also protect a policy holder who is hit while a pedestrian. ये था सारा जो कि इसका अनइंश्योर्ड और एंड अंडर इंश्योर्ड मोटरिस्ट कवरेज, और इसके साथ ये कंप्रहेंसिव था, कोलिजन था, ऑटो इंश्योरेंस की सब जो हैं सब ऑटो इंश्योरेंस बेसिक्स की पॉलिसीज़ हैं, टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस हैं, जो कि हम जो है कि आप देख रहे हैं इन पॉलिसीज़ को और इनके टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस को, ठीक है। और थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो।